Take on multiple messes indoors and outdoors with the 2-in-1 electric pressure washer plus wet-dry vac from Sun Joe. The SPX7000E combines the power of a pressure washer with a high-performance vacuum at the flick of a switch for the ultimate dirt-decimating duo. There's no need for two tools when one does it all. With its 12-amp pressure washer motor and 10-amp vacuum motor, you'll have the right solution for any situation, wet or dry. Generating up to 1,700 psi of pure cleaning power, the SPX7000E quickly eliminates the most stubborn gunk and grime. Let this dual dynamo do your dirty work for you around the house, car, porch, patio, deck, and driveway. Plus, its 27 fluid-ounce onboard detergent tank is there for when you need to give your cleaning blast a boost. When there's a spill, don't switch tools, just flick a switch and you'll have the super suction wet-dry vacuum that's perfect for leaks, dust, and more. Tap into SPX7000E's suite of 11 handy attachments to suit any cleaning task. In the car, around the house, in the shed, or anywhere else in need of a quick clean. And when the job is done, simply remove its 0.8-gallon collection tank to quickly and easily dispose of dirt, debris, and liquid. For the versatility and performance that you demand, go with Joe, the SPX7000E 2-in-1 pressure washer plus wet-dry vacuum from Sun Joe. Get equipped.